3 is designed from the inside out to be the smartest, most useful device in your life.
Pixel 3 was built with exceptionally beautiful and thoughtful design choices. It feels great to the touch and light in your hand. The matte finish on the all-glass back is the first of its kind. It carries over our iconic two-tone design while providing a beautiful, silky texture that helps avoid fingerprints. We developed a new etching process that allows for both matte and glossy textures on the same piece of curved glass with smooth lines and seamless transitions. Pixel 3 comes in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and a new color, which is not pink.
The new Pixel comes in 2 display sizes, the 5.5-inch Pixel 3 and the 6.3-inch Pixel 3 XL. The flexible OLED is the best Pixel display ever. The new adaptive color profile provides a bright, vibrant viewing experience from any angle and in any lighting.
Our front-firing stereo speakers are 40% louder and richer than last year, perfect for a video call or for playing music by the pool.
Everyone raves about the Pixel camera, and today, the smartest camera gets even better with the Pixel 3.
We're building on Google's deep expertise in computational photography. Perhaps the most obvious way it comes to life is with HDR+. When you press the shutter, Pixel captures a burst of several short exposures. We combine the images algorithmically to create an image that is brighter, more detailed, and more colorful. Pixel Visual Core is our custom-designed imaging chip that takes complex imaging and data crunching power out of our data centers and puts it on your phone. We built Pixel Visual Core into Pixel 3, making the camera even faster and smarter to power new, computationally intensive features.
No matter how great your camera is at capturing the finest details and reproducing the colors, you can still miss the perfect shot if you don't hit the shutter at exactly the right moment. Top Shot solves that problem. Top Shot automatically captures alternate shots in HDR+. So if your timing wasn't perfect, it'll suggest a better one. You can also scroll through the alternates and save one of those instead.
And then there's Super Res Zoom. Anyone who's tried to take a photo at a concert knows that phone cameras have terrible zoom. Instead of shooting a grainy photo, Pixel 3 shoots a burst of photos, each a bit different, taking advantage of the natural tiny movements of your hand. And you can guess what happens next. We run the variations through a merging algorithm to create a beautiful, zoomed-in shot, so you can get closer to the details and frame your shot the way you want.
Another feature that we're really excited about is Night Sight. Night Sight works so well, you'll never use your flash again. Let's take a look. In extreme low light, we turn to machine learning to choose the right colors based on the content of the image. These shots are completely untouched. Night Sight makes Pixel the best low-light smartphone camera. It's coming next month to Pixel 3 and our other Pixels as well.
You might have noticed the second camera on the front of the phone. Now you can fit everyone in the shot without a selfie stick or unusually long arms like mine. Just zoom out. The difference is striking. You aren't just getting more people in the frame, you're getting more details, more scenery, more of a story.
For photos and selfies with even more story, we've got you covered. We've evolved AR stickers to what we now call Playground and built it into both the front and rear cameras.
Last year, we introduced Google Lens, which helps you do more with your camera with what you see. This year, we integrated Google Lens directly into the Pixel 3 camera. Point it at a takeout menu, and Lens will pull out the phone number to call. Point it at a movie poster to click through to the URL. Lens is now able to work instantly in the camera and on device for some of the most common actions, even without a data connection. So now when your friend's wearing a cool new pair of sunglasses or you see some shoes you like in a magazine, you can use Lens to find them online and browse similar styles. It's one more way we're integrating our AI, software, and hardware to create the best end-to-end camera experience. We made a few enhancements to portrait mode. You can edit the depth of field in a portrait. You can also change the focal subject of the photo or make the color pop.
And one of the best aspects of Pixel 3 is free unlimited storage at original quality.
As Rick mentioned earlier, our new Google Assistant feature, powered by Duplex technology, is able to help users with real-world tasks over the phone, like calling a restaurant to book a table. Pixel phones will be the first to get this Google Assistant feature when it rolls out city by city this month.
And we're going even further to help you with phone calls with our new call screen feature. Let's say you're at dinner with friends or in a meeting at work, and a call comes in. It could be something important, or it could be an offer for a free cruise. When you get that call and you can't or don't want to pick up, just tap the screen call button, and your phone will answer for you and ask who's calling and why.
And we all know what it's like to be overwhelmed by notifications. Sometimes you just want to disconnect entirely. So we've developed a feature we call Flip to Shush, an easy gesture to minimize distractions. Just turn your phone upside down on the table, and your Pixel will take the hint and mute sounds and notifications, so you can have a quiet dinner with friends or spend some time with your family. And finally, Pixel 3 includes our new Titan security chip. As Rick said earlier, Titan is a big step forward in how we safeguard our users' data with on-device protection for login credentials, disk encryption, app data, and the integrity of the operating system.
We have one last thing to show you. What if your phone could provide a totally different experience when it's charging? We're excited to introduce the smartest wireless charger ever, the new Pixel Stand. As a wireless charger, Pixel Stand is best in class. It charges your Pixel 3 super fast, even through cases. The Pixel Stand isn't just a charger. It changes the way you interact with your phone, thanks to the Google Assistant. When you dock your phone, the UI adjusts to be easily glanceable from across the room. You can control it with your voice or with one-touch suggestions on the display. In the morning, your Pixel 3 is a more thoughtful alarm clock. The screen will slowly brighten before your alarm goes off, so you can wake up more gently. And with help from the Assistant, it knows your morning routine, the weather, and can easily answer your questions, similar to Google Home.
Play your music on Pixel's incredible front-firing stereo speakers, and the cover art is displayed on the screen. Pixel Stand also turns your Pixel 3 into a helpful component of your thoughtful home. You can easily control your connected devices around the house, and with Nest Hello, you can see who's at the door on your Pixel 3 screen. When it's not busy with other tasks, your Pixel 3 becomes a photo frame that delights you with automatically curated memories from your Google Photos library. Again, similar to the Google Home Hub experience you saw earlier. Pixel Stand transforms your Pixel 3, so you can get a more visual, helpful experience from your phone. It's the best way to wirelessly charge your Pixel or any Qi-compatible device. Pixel 3 is available for pre-order now, starting at $799, and Pixel Stand is $79. Pixel 3 will arrive on October 18th in the US through Verizon and unlocked on the Google Store and Project Fi. On November 1st, it will be available in 12 more markets, including 4 new ones this year: France, Ireland,